teman-teman, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Papa Iyas Gorontalo. Baik teman-teman, kali ini saya tidak sendiri. Saya ditemani oleh teman saya, Bung Jeffrey.
Halo guys.
Iya. Kali ini kita akan melakukan perjalanan menuju ke rumah dinas gubernur. Jangan kemana-mana, ikuti terus di Papa Iyas Gorontalo.
Jangan lupa subscribe. Jangan lupa subscribe Papa Iyas Gorontalo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade
semuanya sudah standby sesuai dengan rencana. Mudah-mudahan sesuai dengan perencanaan yang sudah direncanakan. Ya.
Bapak Puskesmas pada
Ya, Bu Alemo bisa monitor Provinsi Gorontalo, coba dicek bicara panjang, transmit panjang. Ya, coba Pak ulangi, mau dengar langsung di speakernya orang di line outputnya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera untuk kita semua.
Lagi Pak, ya tambah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Tekson, pemerintah Kabupaten Balemo.
Oke, mantap Pak, mantap. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Pak.
Gorontalo Utara.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya baik Pak Kabid. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat pagi.
Iya pagi. Pak Kabid, sekedar masukan DP Eho kasih turun Sadiki.
Oke deh. Oh Eho ya.
Iya, ada efek di belakang. Ya.
Adik kasur Eho. Ini Pak, ini Pitkom apa ini pagi ini?
Izin Pak Kabid, Pitkom antara Kementerian Sosial dengan Gubernur, Wali Kota jam 11.30 WITA sampai jam 12 itu jadwalnya Sulawesi Utara dan Gorontalo.
Siap.
Jadi didampingi Kepala Dinas Sosial dalam rangka bantuan uang tunai langsung barangkali itu sesuai surat.
Oke, terima kasih. Siap.
Iya
Oke.
Pak Kabid. Semoga sehat selalu Pak Kabid. Mantap.
Amin.
Iya.
Oke, siap.
Jadi di sini jam 11.30. Iya.
Oh ya.
Siap.
Terima kasih. Ya, standby.
Standby monitor Pak. Baik teman-teman, selesai sudah settingan untuk kita melakukan conference. Jadi tinggal menunggu Bapak Gubernur dan instansi terkait, tentunya dinas sosial terkait dengan bantuan-bantuan yang akan disalurkan ke daerah-daerah. Tetap di Papa Iyas Gorontalo.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and comment di channel YouTube Papa Iyas Gorontalo.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen di Papa Iyas Gorontalo. Oke.